For question 3, we're looking at the Delimeters class. Make special note of these first two, private string open del and private string closed del. The class itself will tell you what the open and closed delimiters are. You don't have to solve it yourself or do anything clever. It has a constructor method. It has a public arraylist of string getDelimitersList method. And it has a public boolean isBalanced arraylist of string delimiters method, both of which you'll implement. For question 3a, a string containing text and possibly delimiters has been split into tokens and stored in a string array of tokens. Each token is either an open delimiter, a closed delimiter, or a substring that is not a delimiter. You will write the method getDelimitesList, which returns an array list containing all the open and closed delimiters found in tokens in their original order. For the code for 3a, you write in a public arraylist of strings getDelimitersList method that takes in a string array of tokens. You're declaring a container that holds strings. You're looping over the whole tokens array. You're declaring a current string on every iteration of the loop. Now, I'll remind you, if you don't know this already, you have to compare strings with dot equals, otherwise you'll get unexpected results. So if current dot equals open del, or if current dot equals closed del, you add the current delimiter to the container, and then at the end of the loop, you return the container. I normally make videos covering Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.